When people think of freelancing, they often imagine designers, coders, or video editors. But here's the truth. You can start freelancing with just Excel. Yes, the same Excel you used in school or your office job. I'll tell you what happened with Rakesh, my college friend. He wasn't from IIT, he didn't know coding, and he didn't even have a laptop at first. He just borrowed one from a friend, but he was good with Excel, formulas, charts, dashboards, nothing fancy, but enough to solve real problems. He listed a simple gig on Fiverr. I will clean and format your Excel data. That's it. No advanced macros, no AI. Just real Excel help for small businesses and startups drowning in messy spreadsheets. Within 2 weeks, he got his first order, 400 rupees. Not life-changing, but it gave him confidence. By month 3, he was doing 20K per month, part-time, just by offering 3 services: Excel data cleaning, creating simple dashboards, formatting reports, and making templates. Here's the thing no one tells you. Freelancing doesn't mean mastering 100 skills. It means solving one problem well. And there are thousands of people out there who hate Excel, but need it every day. So if you know VLOOKUP, pivot tables, conditional formatting, charting, you're already more skilled than many out there. And yes, you can freelance with just Excel. Start small, help one person, deliver value. The clients and income will follow. Now there are 2 types of people who watch my videos. One is the person who wants to start a side hustle, but doesn't know where to begin. If that's you, then this course is perfect. Learn by doing. Choose from 30+ projects and build your skills as you go. And the second type of person is someone who has been freelancing for a while, but wants to take their income to the next level. If that's you, then this course will help you do that. Learn advanced techniques and build high-paying skills. So whether you want to start freelancing or take it to the next level, this course has something for everyone. Plus, you'll get lifetime access to our exclusive community. Ask questions, share your wins, and learn from others. Don't forget to check out the curriculum and see you in the next video.